Hey guys, what's going on? I'm back here with another quick unboxing and review. What we got here today is a 5-port USB hub sent over from a seller in Amazon. The brand is Doca, D-O-C-A. Pretty good company. They pretty much do a lot of things, but mainly they focus on charging devices. They already sent me a couple of other things and they're pretty great. First off, when you get it out the box, you get the manual, get a few specs. You don't really need to read it, everything's self-explanatory, but look at how small this thing is. This is the same size, or almost the same size, as your brick that you use to charge your iPad or tablet, whatever, but pretty small. It does have a, it has a how do you call that thing, a wall plug. The USA based, I guess. You can order it differently if, depending on your country, it'll come for your plug. But this thing, as soon as you power it on, it has a little blue indicator light, and I like how it lights up a little bit onto the fast charge. I wish it would light up all the USBs, that way, and if you have it on your nightstand and you're trying to connect something, you could actually see where the port is at without having to struggle or having to get up and turn on your light. Anyways, the first one that we have here is fast charge. So that one, you could charge any device that is compatible with fast charge. It'll charge it fast. This tablet, I tested it out with its original brick, and it does charge around the same time. So it is a fast charge port. The other three are regular ports at 5 volts at 1 amp, 5 volts at 2 amps, and 5 volts at 2.4 amps. So depending on you, if you want to be safe about it, you can follow whatever amperage they say is best for your phone to charge, but they give you all three options, but they all work pretty much around the same, well, as far as I use them. But anyways, pretty great product. Oh, and this tablet, I love this tablet. Thank you, Huawei, for sending it to me. Pretty amazing tablet, pretty nice screen. It looks amazing. Anyways, this video is not about that. This video is about this product right here. Pretty amazing. The finish, it has a glossy finish. It's not heavy at all, so you might want to, if you're gonna put it in your nightstand or someplace in your office, you might want to put a grip tape or something, because it doesn't have grip feet underneath. It's just a flat surface. But anyways guys, go ahead and check them out. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more how-to and tech videos.